want that whenever I receive a new lead from Facebook, instantly the lead details should be added in my Pipedrive account as a new contact. And as you can see right now, I have only 2 contacts in my Pipedrive account. But let's say someone sees my ad on Facebook, they're interested and they are going to fill in this lead form. So let's just fill in this lead form as test lead. As you can see, I've entered all the details right over here, and now I'm just going to click on this continue and then submit button to submit this form. As you can see, I've successfully submitted this form, and now let me just open my Pipedrive account. I am just going to refresh this contact list, and you're going to see from 2 contacts right now we have a total of 3 contacts. The new details are added right over here instantly, and yes, this is no magic. This is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Now let's see how to create this automation. For that, just open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 of Facebook leads to your Pipedrive automatically without any manual intervention. But before you move on further, I'll just let you know that if you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and let's see how to build this amazing automation. For that, this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the 2 main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Facebook lead ads and then we have to select Facebook lead ads. For the event, we have to select it as new lead instant and click on this connect. Now you have to make sure that a Facebook account is logged in before starting with the automation. Now if you have already created this connection, just go on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Facebook lead ads. Now what you have to do is you just have to click on this continue because your Facebook account is already logged in. If it is not logged in, it's going to ask you to log in your account right over here, and then only going to get this option to click on this continue. Once you get the option to click on this continue, just click on the continue button and your Facebook lead ads account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After this connection is created successfully, you just have to choose the page for which you want to create this automation. After we select the page, we have to choose the form for which we want to create this automation. Select the response format as simple and click on the save and send test request button. I want to create this automation only for a single form, so I've selected the same. If you want to create this automation for multiple forms, you can select all leads and forms right over here. It totally depends upon you. Now it is saying waiting for webhook response. In order to capture this webhook response, you just have to open your lead ads testing tool. How can you open this? For that, just open a new tab, search for Meta for Developers and then open the landing page of Meta for Developers from here. After you open the landing page of Meta for Developers, go on resources and then developer tools. Now you just have to scroll and select this lead ads RTO debug tool, and this is going to open your lead ads testing tool. Now what you have to do is you just have to select the same page which you selected in your workflow and the same form which you selected. For the product, select it as lead retrieval and click on this preview form. As you can see that this is the form, so I'm just going to click on this continue and I am just going to fill in this form right over here. For the first name, I'm just going to keep it as new, last name as lead. For the email, I'm just going to keep it as new lead test@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number and this is the city. I'm just going to click on this continue and then submit, and we have successfully submitted this form. So let me just open my workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here, which will be the proof of our successful connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So you just have to wait a few seconds till Pabbly is capturing the response of the test submission which you made right now. As you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response, so we are good to go. Now I've created this test lead because I didn't want it to wait for real lead, but if you want, you can wait until you receive a real lead in real time too. I'll suggest you create a test lead and then build this automation. It is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. If you create it with test lead, it is not a big worry for that. Okay, now you just have to click on this add new action step, and now for the action application, just search for Pipedrive and then simply select Pipedrive right over here. Now for the event, you have to choose it as create a person and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API token. To get this, just open your Pipedrive account. Now after you open your Pipedrive account, go on this user image, then go on the personal preferences, then API. You're going to find the API token can just copy the API token and paste it right over here in your workflow. Now click on the save and your Pipedrive account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After this connection is created successfully, it is going to ask you for all of these details. So one by one, enter all of these details. But you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to map all the details right over here which I have of my lead. I have the name, I have the phone number, I have the email, so I've mapped the details. Now the first name, so I'm just going to put a slash, search for the first name, map it. Same I'm just going to do for the last name, then click on the save and send test request button. Now we have received the positive response that we have successfully created a new contact in Pipedrive. So let me just open my Pipedrive. From the left hand of the side, I'm just going to go towards this contact section, and this contact is added right over here. This is no magic, this is the power of automation which we created right now. And like I showed in the starting of this video, whenever I'm just going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, instantly the details will be added in Pipedrive. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below, so do check it out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.